Hey everybody, it's been a while. I ran into a situation that's took me forever to square away. I think I have it now. The last time I had a video, I started to take the engine apart and ran into an issue. I always thought it was going to be a bolt snapping off or nut stripping out or the dreaded flathead screw. But I just want to say thanks to the folks down here in South Carolina. I have developed a fair amount of friends down here, and they apparently watch my video. Hey guys! And they were wondering, what's going on? Did you give up? No, I'm in it to win it. I have gone way past the point of no return. I can't stop now. It's got to be done. So it's just, unfortunately, you know, I don't have any space. I have limited amount of tools. It was nice to work at the farm, Judge's Farm. Those guys were super gracious, allowed me to use their tools, and in order to get this project done, I had to go out and buy an angle grinder. There's $100 I'll never get back. I have no need for an angle grinder, and I have no space for an angle grinder, so it'll probably end up in the trash or somewhere. I'll be ditching it soon. I'm hopefully all done with it now. Jeez. Let's see. When I left the campground last time in North Carolina, I went boondocking for a while, save some money. My original plan was to seek professional help, and so I wanted to save money to make sure I could pay for it. And so I boondocked for a while. It was fun. It was nice. I kind of went nuts on a homeless guy. Come midnight, his generator was still running, and he was parked next to me, and I let him have both barrels. I was so pissed off at this project. The guy was living in a caravan, and man, did it stink. He had 2 cats. Can you imagine living in a caravan with 2 cats? Oof. God. Yeah, his license plate was from a state that's all in the news all the time. I won't call him out. It's behind me now. But it's been trying on me. I was waiting for this campground. I'm here in South Carolina to drop its off-peak season rates so I can get it cheap. And I rolled in here, and then the weather went nuts. I'm sure that sun is moving. I'm sure most of you guys got it worse than me. That Siberian Express was 12 degrees Fahrenheit first night, 16 degrees Fahrenheit second night. I was the only one here at the campground. They all came by to make sure I was still alive. I was snug as a bug in a rug. My system is flawless. And I was happy as could be, just watching good old YouTube and other things. And it's cleared up now. The new year's been good for me. And warm. Should be for a while. I got a little rain coming here and there, but that's no big deal. So, well, let's get to it. That's enough BS for now. I think really what it was is I had a real bad case of bitchitis. And I just didn't want to work on it, but my problem came with this this flywheel right here. Originally I had 3 threaded screws, and you're supposed to pull it off, and I got that pole, and I just kept breaking bolts, kept breaking them. I couldn't get them to be in the holes evenly. There's the oh God, what do you call that stuff behind it? The it makes the power and it makes it run. Magneto? No, that's X-Men. Well, whatever. I'm sure most of you guys know it. You'll be seeing it here in a second. I'm going to pop this off in front of you guys. And so I kept breaking bolts. I went through 8 bolts. Every single class of bolt that I could get. Stainless steel. All the different grades. I now know different grades of bolts. And they just kept breaking. So, here's my bright idea. I go out and get a tap. Tap and die. And I drill it out, one of the holes. And I go to start working the tap, and it kind of went in a little bit, and snapped right off. Oh, I was so pissed. That thing ended up way out in the woods. And I'm like, well, hell, if I go rolling into a shop now, I'm going to end up being on one of them videos that's just rolled in. The guys are going to laugh at me. So I struggled, and now I started drilling out the holes, and couldn't get it big enough for this thing, so then I got the angle grinder, and let's see if you guys can see in there, alright? And I cut. I had to cut this thing up. I had to cut and finagle this thing, and it's in there now. It's not going to go anywheres now, so let's see if we can do it. I thought it was going to be one of these bolts. You see, I already loosened up these bolts, wondering if this was going to be the issue. I haven't done these or anything else, but these came off just fine, so I think I'll be okay from here. I'm ready to get going. I mean, for the next 2 weeks, the weather should be good. I should be able to really strip this down and rebuild it. I'll have to get a new flywheel and whatever that electronic crap, whatever they call that, inside. I'll have to get new ones of those, but I saw them on eBay, so that's not going to be an issue at all. And yeah, let's get cranking on this. I'm going to put you guys a little bit far back here because I'm not sure what this thing is going to do. That's not going to fit there. How about here? How's that? Can you guys see all right? Yeah, you'd be able to see all right from there. Oh, I didn't even tell you. The first problem I had was getting the nut off. There's a nut that goes on here, and there's nothing to hold the motor from spinning over. I had to get a special tool. I wonder if I threw that away too. I don't know, but it kind of went into the holes and you could hold it, and I got the nut off. Even that was unbelievable. What do I do? Okay. Oh, please work. I know when these things go, I saw on TV, boy, when they go, they go boom. Ooh, it's getting tight. It's getting tight. Come on. Come on. Come on. Doesn't look like it's pulling straight. I hope that doesn't matter. Oh, just keep going. Come on. It ain't moving. Oh, it is tight. I'm bending the bar. Oh my God. Come on, baby. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Oh, I heard a noise. Do it. Come on. Do it. Do it. Oh, man. Oh, jeez. Come on. Do it. You got to come off. What is your problem? Looks like it's going. I think what might end up happening is snapping these off, because there's the weak points. Come on, baby. What did I do this for? I hate motors. They always just let you down. Oh my God. I can't turn it anymore. Oh my God. I think I'm going to have to use this motor as an anchor. Just get another one. Come on. Something's gotta give. Something's gotta give. Anybody want a jet, John? I just don't know. Are you freaking serious? Oh. There's an owl hooting over there. Come on. kidding me? Why aren't you budging? Yeah, it looks like that wall is still in my way. I can't believe it. It's like somebody welded it. Probably ruining my socket. Alright. What let go? What the hell let go? Oh no, did I break my socket? I broke the socket. Righty-tighty. Broke the, yeah, more money out the door. How the hell did I break that anyway? You know, I'm rather surprised that the motor ain't spinning. I just realized that. Huh. Why isn't the motor spinning? It must be seized up in there or something.